The anticipation surrounding Apple's AirPods Pro 3 has reached a fever pitch, especially following a slew of leaks that have not only excited Apple fans but also sparked a wave of outrage across the internet. From major design changes to potential price hikes and controversial features, everything we know so far about the upcoming AirPods Pro 3 points to a dramatic shift in Apple's wireless audio strategy. In this video, we'll explore everything from the leaked specs and features, to the design overhaul, rumored release date, pricing, and why some fans are furious with Apple's direction. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Buckle up, this is the complete story behind Apple's most anticipated earbuds of 2025. Leaks began circulating early in 2025, suggesting Apple would be making substantial changes to the AirPods Pro lineup for the first time since 2022. While some of these changes are innovative and exciting, such as a new chip, better battery life, and potential integration with Vision Pro, others have triggered a wave of criticism. The most talked about points include the rumored removal of physical controls, possible loss of interchangeable ear tips, and a significant price increase. Fans and tech enthusiasts alike have taken to Reddit, X, formerly Twitter, and YouTube to express their frustration, with many questioning whether Apple is moving further away from user-focused design. According to multiple sources, including supply chain analysts and Apple insiders, the AirPods Pro 3 are expected to launch alongside the iPhone 17 series in September 2025. This timing aligns with Apple's usual product cycle and gives them the perfect opportunity to unveil updated AirPods with iOS 19, Apple Intelligence, and other ecosystem-wide upgrades. Some tipsters suggest an August teaser or developer preview, particularly if Apple wants to showcase new AI-based audio features. Perhaps the most shocking part of the leak is the radical design overhaul rumored for the AirPods Pro 3. Gone are the short, iconic stems we've grown used to. Apple is reportedly testing a stemless, in-ear design that looks closer to what you'd expect from Bose or Samsung Galaxy Buds. Some leaked CAD renders show a slightly elongated bud with subtle curves and no visible stem, likely to accommodate a larger driver or battery. Insiders say Apple is doing this for ergonomic reasons and to increase comfort for extended wear, especially during sleep or workouts. But not everyone is thrilled. The stem on previous AirPods allowed for easier control, gesture input, and made them more recognizable. The AirPods aesthetic, which became a cultural icon, may soon be a thing of the past. One of the most exciting upgrades with the AirPods Pro 3 is rumored to be deep integration with Apple Intelligence, Apple's generative AI suite introduced with iOS 18. The new AirPods are expected to act as AI audio hubs, capable of intelligent noise suppression, real-time translation, personalized audio EQ, and more. Here are some of the rumored features. AI-powered adaptive transparency that learns from your surroundings. Voice isolation 2.0, filtering background noise in real time using machine learning. Live translate mode for real-time bilingual conversations via your iPhone. Find My Precision mode with ultra-wideband, UWB, chip upgrades. Personalized hearing health insights via the Health app integration. Automatic Siri summarization of notifications using large language models. This smart evolution positions the AirPods Pro 3 not just as audio devices, but as intelligent wearable assistants. Apple is reportedly testing a next-gen H3 chip, which will deliver better latency, more efficient active noise cancellation, and seamless ecosystem transitions. The new chip could also